Supreme Court struck down a federal ban on bump stocks. Those devices turn semi-automatic rifles into something closer to a machine gun.
The ban was enacted in the wake of the 2017 mass shooting in Las Vegas. CBS correspondent Natalie Brand is in Washington with reaction.
Jim and Erica, legal analysts say this decision was not really about the Second Amendment as much as federal power and who put this regulation in place. The conservative justices ruling that the ATF overstepped its authority in banning bump stocks.
The U.S. Supreme Court put guns back in the political spotlight Friday, striking down a ban on bump stocks. The Trump administration put the rule in place after America's deadliest modern mass shooting. In 2017, a gunman fired more than 1,000 rounds into the crowd at a Las Vegas concert in 11 minutes. The High Court's 6-3 opinion focused on the mechanics of the gun accessory.
This is whether or not the ATF, an executive agency, could say semi-automatic weapons plus bump stock equals machine gun, and machine guns are banned under federal law.
Justice Thomas, writing for the majority, said a bump stock does not convert a semi-automatic rifle into a machine gun any more than a shooter with a lightning-fast trigger finger does. Justice Sotomayor, in the dissent, sharply disagreed, stressing a rifle equipped with a bump stock can fire at a rate of 400 to 800 rounds per minute. Writing, "When I see a bird that walks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, I call that bird a duck."
Conservative justices also took issue with the ATF writing the rule instead of lawmakers, saying it's up to Congress to amend the law regarding bump stocks.
But lawmakers we spoke to on both sides of the aisle don't expect any movement on the issue.
Not particularly optimistic.
I think it's probably going to be left where it is.
The Supreme Court must still rule on another big gun case, deciding whether or not to uphold federal law that prohibits people under domestic violence restraining orders from owning firearms.
Reacting to today's ruling, Senator Dick Durbin, chair of the Judiciary Committee, called the decision deeply disappointing. He says it renews a call for Congress to enact further gun safety legislation, and he added that he stands ready to work with any Republican colleagues willing to do so. But again, House members we spoke to today say they are just not optimistic that's going to happen in this current Congress. In Washington, I'm Natalie Brand, CBS 2 News.